How to pause Instagram Reels without holding. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Here, simply click on the Reel section at the bottom, which is the second option at the bottom. You'll find all your Reels. Before, you used to hold it and it would only pause till you hold. Now what you can do to pause is simply click on it. After you one click on the reel, it will pause automatically for you. And after you do this, you can scroll down, and if you want to pause it again, you can click on the reel and pause it as you want. And this is how to pause Instagram Reels without holding. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.